Dysfunctional vet, what you're looking at is a spot where a 10-inch pine stump was just a couple of days ago. It's been raining, so I haven't been doing too much out here. In this spot right here, we have about a 5-inch pine stump with newspapers, a lot of small branches from oak that has fallen to the ground, along with a little bit of pine. I'm going to go ahead and put more oak onto this, and I'll be burning it inside this drum, which is a washing machine drum made of stainless steel. And the way I burn this up is I'll drill a few holes in the top of this thing. I'll fill it with old used cooking oil, let it sit for 3 or 4 days, and then I'll come back. And what I'll primarily use to keep it burning is larger pieces of oak, but I'll also feed in pine and other stuff just to aid and facilitate the combustion of the stump. The estimated burn time for this is less than 12 hours. I've taken some scrap lumber that I have from a project and I've thrown it on top, but down inside there you can see the flames. They're going to town. This wood that I'm burning right here, you see this one piece that's warping. That's because it's damp. That's actually working out really well because it produces a chimney effect in there, which causes the air to move just a little bit faster, which helps aid in the combustion of the stump. Now I've got a whole bunch of these little pieces that you see here. They're, I don't know, 14 inches long maybe. I've got a whole bunch of those that I'm going to be burning up. But the point being, as you see the fire in there burning, it's burning both the stump and the other combustibles that I've thrown in there. So I'm going to get a real good burn out of this. And I think it's been burning now for about 15 minutes. I'm getting ready to close this out because it won't be very long before that stump's going to be gone. But what I want to show you, let me zoom in past this fire. Do you see that brilliant glow down there at the base of the stainless steel wash tub? That is air being pulled in and a lot of heat being generated, and that heat translates into the stump burning away and becoming a thing of memories. Now if you notice, there's almost no smoke, almost zero smoke. Now there is a little bit down here, but this fire is about to burn out, so that's not the same thing. The reason there's almost no smoke right here is because we're getting very complete combustion because of all of the holes, the perforations that are in this wash drum. So we have lots of air coming in, we're getting the secondary combustion. Y'all seen the smokeless burn pits? Well, essentially that's what I have with just this stainless steel. By the way, this was a heavy load, so if you're thinking you want to go this route, go for it. I will tell you it won't fit all stumps because some stumps are bigger. Now you can really see that glow. Look at that down on the ground. Not the metal, the glow on the ground. Hope you enjoyed this burn. Dysfunctional Vet out. This is a stump. Now I'm filming this in the evening as I got another stump over there cooking, and I didn't film this morning, but that's what it looks like. As you can see, the process works. Dysfunctional Vet out. Vet.